ka rin ha, uy. Oh my God, naawa.
UCSP. Hi, Bash!
Hello, Bash!
Hello, Chakadings!
Hello, mga
Happy
Chakadings!
Thursday!
Happy Thursday! And this is our month, Bash.
Diba? It's our second year. Oh my God!
Anniversary, yes,
Happy
and-
anniversary, Chakadings!
Happy anniversary! My God, 2 years na tayo nagbinuangay.
Bitaw, no? Nahutda na gitawon mig topics.
Yes, correct. But thank you so much. The
Yes.
last month, July, is a nice month for us.
Correct. Would like to thank all the Chakadings, no? Because naabot na to ang top 7. The
Yes.
7th spot on Spotify.
Yes.
Diba? The only
top-
Cebuano nga podcast.
Yes, that's
Ah.
correct. Balikon dyan nato na the
That-
only Cebuano podcast
one and only.
who reached top 7 sa Spotify in the Philippines. Philippines pa
Diba?
siya, ha?
Can you imagine, Bash?
Can you imagine, gabo-abo atong ba for that in top 7
Diba? And how we started ba? We started sa living room ra, chaka-chaka.
Yeah, sa imong living room.
Nya to mga competitors
Tas imo pa siya
karon kay
kung-
mga shala kaayo nga mga podcast
in
no.
fairness. But at least, I'm so
Level
proud.
up na gid ka, Bash.
I'm so proud of us.
Yeah, I'm proud of us, Chakadings. Thank you
Yes,
so
correct.
much, ha. Kaya kung wala mo na me now sa Spotify or
Wasa
sa
mo na mo
YouTube,
yung Apple Podcast, wasa mo nito sa YouTube.
we won't be able to reach
Wala na
this,
dyan ni siya nga podcast.
Correct.
And then, dili na mo, wala na may bash.
Wala na yung bash. So, continue bashing,
Actually,
ha, for
kapoy na sila
engagement.
bash.
Oo.
Like, they don't kuha na, they don't kanang kuha na. Murag,
Pero na ba na
they're
pag
so tired na of bashing.
Yeah. Namo sabi mo message nga, sorry kay ha, if nagi may ma-criticize, that's fine. We
Correct.
accept criticism, good.
Pero nakabantay ko ni mga mura kang newscaster ka rin.
Because it's a special month, meaning we're bringing in special guests.
Like, special jud siya, bash.
Very special guests for
Like
the month
this,
of August.
the whole month of August, masyak mo kinsa mong mga guests. Makaingon jud mo nga, only UCSP can bring them.
Oh,
Can kuan
Convince them to have a conversation with us na.
Confident ba?
Confident na ka.
Tanaw talaga.
Intro na siguro ta ba? So, by the way, this is Lyle.
And this is Shane, and you're listening to UCSP Music Shaka sa Parlor Season 5, your favorite Cebuano queer duo.
Here to stay.
And here for more.
Yay! Okay, so Besh, as mentioned, di ba, mga special guests for August. Nga nga ato ang buwan naman no, for this anniversary.
Di lang siya mabasa-basta, Bash.
As in,
Yes.
Sige.
Dili ko ka imagine na he said yes. Yes, kasi
kasi ako, di ba, when you told me na ako, pag sure,
yes, exactly. Hindi ko mo tuo, no?
Sabi ko nga, ikaw na lang ba, uy, kay Rag, mauwa ko kay
I think it's kwan lang jud siguro. I think I had a good relationship with this guy and this person. Because yes jud siya.
As
Never
in?
say jud ako as actually. And to think dili pa jud sa UCS when he knows na this is a quite naughty and then
Chaka-chaka.
funny nga podcast.
Na podcast.
And he said yes.
Sige,
And
so
yes,
let's
thank you so-
formally
my God.
introduce our guest for our second anniversary, mga Chakading.
Kanisha. Let's start is he's an attorney by profession.
Former,
a former
barangay
counselor, former city
Counselor,
counselor,
former vice mayor, and
former
former
mayor of the city of Cebu.
Cebu. My
Kaya na siguro
God,
sila,
kilala
oy.
sila lahat. So,
Oh,
ka
welcome.
mga Chakadings.
Attorney Raymond Alvinary Garcia.
Oh my God! Igukat mo ko
Maayong
siya agad.
adlaw kaninyong duha.
Yes, mga
Shane and
Chakadings.
Lyle. Mga Chakadings.
Oh
Maayong
my
adlaw.
God.
Maayong
And
adlaw.
also, i-add po nato sa credentials o nga proud ally
Yes.
and a loving husband.
A loving husband and a loving father.
Father,
Ni
yeah.
Lexi. So, kumusta, attorney?
Well, it has already been usa na katuig nga wala na ko sa office but nagsige pa man gihapon ta og suroy og tabang nagsige gihapon ta og advice sa atong mga konsehal sa syudad sa Sugbo kay 6 of them are in office
correct.
so the usual it doesn't mean nga kay wala na ka sa gobyerno or wala na ka sa public
Office,
service
yeah.
di na ka maka panirbisyo. Padayon gihapon but in a smaller scale.
Correct. And then really, kanisha, wala dyan ni ko ang mga Chakadings. I was thinking when I go kanang gikuha ta ka sa ubo sa amo studio, I was thinking entourage jud sila. Of course, naanad man gud ko sa unang usa jud ka batalyon ni mga bodyguards. Guess what? Siya ga-drive pa dong diri. imagine. So, how, this is a question, I don't know if this is fun for you. How was it to become a normal citizen again of Cebu City? I'm not saying that you're normal, because you're, of course, you're not the kuan man. You're not just as normal as us.
I don't know. For the lack of the better term.
Lack of the better term, how was it to become
Well,
part
12 years gud ko sa public service, 'di ba? As a public servant. So, naana jud ta nga daghan kita kuyog, especially pag vice mayor, pag mayor, pag even konsehal, daghan jud ta og kuyog, but that's not because kanang nang hinambog ta. No. We have a lot of things to do, daghan kita mga obligasyon. So muna nga daghan jud ta kuyog, but now it's really a lot different. You know, I value my private life. Especially now nga naka-spend time na gyud ko sa akong asawa.
That's so true.
No,
That's nice.
og sa akong anak, no, og sa akong parents nga who are not getting any younger, no.
That's
Nagka-
true.
So that's why in sa balay pod, I spend a lot of time with all of them, with the family. Unya di sa ako kalimtan kan for parent baya ko,
Correct.
no. So I have two very lovely puppies, or we
Yes.
call babies.
Babies.
Si Ila, si Talia, and of course, I don't know if nakahinumdum ba mo in City Hall sa office na po.
Yes.
Naman to si Pucci and
Oh my
friends.
gosh. Pucci and
So,
friends.
when I was
Ini
out of
to,
office, akong
Attorney?
gi-adapt.
Oh my
Ay,
God.
really?
So, atong gibalayan jud, no? Nya,
Nice.
naagyoy tay, of course, naagyoy tay caretaker sad nila. So, Kate and I, we visit sometimes. And then, yeah. So, mao na ang akong life.
May mapakuha ng tabash, may caretaker.
Bitaw, no? May panguray. May panguray ba siya
Caretaker
caretaker?
kita. Wala dyan ni take. Wala dyan ni
Wala take
care.
care.
Oh, guys.
So, kanang attorney, I'm also curious, kanang, what made you say yes aning invitation?
Logi.
Hala,
Ako,
oy.
hindi ko katuogin that.
Well, aside from the fact nga I have more time now on my plate, wow, I've been hearing so much good things about this podcast. Hala.
Tanawa, ha?
Yeah, so grabe,
Thank you
daghan kay
kaayo.
nadunggan, especially nga kanang I would like to congratulate both of you.
Thank you.
Dali man
So
ka on
much.
your second year, top 7 not only in the Cebu but in the entire Philippines.
Yes.
It just
Thank
shows
you.
ba nga unsa ka maayo ang inyong podcast, ang inyong program. So keep it up.
Thank you.
Keep up the good job.
Kani sad, ikaw man dyan ako moingon dyan ko sa una pa dyan, sa una nga, kuyog pa ta, I'm working with you. Fresh naman dyan ka. Samot ka fresh karon dyan, na?
Stress-free.
Stress-free,
Walay bugat ng mga
and then-
responsibilities maybe.
Sige, I really want to know, Attorney Raymond, outside politics.
Yeah.
Kaya mo man dyan ang
Let's
sa atong
probably
kuan.
start sa yung early life.
Yes.
No?
When you were a kid, when you were on your elementary, asag elementary, si Attorney Raymond, asa siya sa high school.
Mura man to Wikipedia, Ermilia.
Yes, Wikipedia.
Natanan sa Wikipedia.
Yes.
Okay. Nataw man kog 1977.
Oh.
So I'm turning 50 next year.
50. Okay.
So nataw ko
Mas 50 pa ko
1977. Yeah. So atabs pa.
Ano, Nate is check ka later. No?
So 1977 ko na tao. And of course at that time we lived in Barangay Kamputhaw na. Oo.
In Lahog ni siya, no?
No, yeah. So well, they always say Kamputhaw and Lahog, katapad na, but those are two different barangays. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
But sa unang mga panahon, part maguna ang Kamputhaw sa Lahog. So muna nga, they always say Kamputhaw is Lahog, but actually there are two different barangays.
Ay, good to know.
Even Apas, di ba, sa unang...
Oh, Lahog Apas. Nung hapon, no? Nagkaana mo kadako mga population that they had already to
okay.
create a new
Another
barangay.
one.
So, mo na ang naitabo. So, anyway, there, and then it was in a different area where I'm living now.
Okay.
And then it was nearer St. Therese College. I don't know if you know that. O kanang sa likod, sa carport, ilang tawag ana. So, nearer the Redemptorist Church area.
Correct.
Yeah. So, one of the houses there. And then, I studied in St. Benedict's Learning Center at the time. So, mo to ilang gitawag SBLC, St. Benedict's Learning Center. Karon nahimo na nag St. Benedict's Childhood Education Center where Lexi is studying or studied.
Ah,
Kaya ako anak si Lexi mubalhin naman siya for senior high. Kay she wants to explore
Yes,
her life
correct.
in a new life in Manila. Lali man ka senior high to na mag-eskwela sa Manila.
Yeah, sa Manila siya nagkuhan.
So actually mularga siya in a few days to move in to her dorm. So muna nga mag-Ateneo naman siya, Ateneo de Manila. So that's it. So that's where I studied until grade 6 pa to nga panahon.
Oo,
diba?
wala pa yung K-12.
wala pa
pa
tayo
yung
K-12.
Wala pa K-12.
K-12.
So there, no, my 3 brothers also finished there in St. Benedict's. So it was
Did
very
you grow
near.
up with your parents, attorney?
Yes.
Okay.
Kuan and 2 brothers. So I have 3 brothers, 2 brothers to lumitanan. The eldest is a lawyer. His name is Jess Anthony Garcia. He's working in one of the big companies here. But all at the same time siya nagdala pud sa among law firm, the JP Garcia and Associates. And then my second brother is a doctor by profession. He's an anesthesiologist, pero he's focusing on pain management and other things, no. Nasad siya kanang unsay tawag ana stem cell muna nga kamo. Pwede mo magpa-stem cell ni.
Naapod siya ikuan kanang ketamine kay pain management po ng caring na lidocaine.
Yes. So so in fact he has 3 clinics already but he's based in
Hindi nga man siya here, di ba?
he's based in the United
The
States,
US,
in
oo.
Hawaii, more particularly.
So, nga to ka magpa-keramine.
Pa-keratin na lang ko ba? So, sa klase nga pagkabata, attorney,
Kada.
Very kuan.
we wanna know.
Very masunurin.
So, you're the youngest, di ba?
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
You're the youngest,
Yeah,
pwede
I'm the
ay.
youngest. So, your typical childhood.
Kiat gapon.
Nagyapoy pagkakiat.
Kanikas.
Can you imagine 3 boys pa me? So,
Bitaw. But would you agree nga pinangga gid ang kinamanghuran?
well, muna akong giingon sa akong pamahan nga dad o mom sa tanahan nimo mga anak ngano ako ra may second name nga Alvin, named after my father.
Correct.
Okay, my eldest is Jess Anthony. My eldest brother is Jess Anthony. The second one is Gerald Mark. Ambot nga nga na Raymond Alvin man.
Ikaw, Juni
ko.
Alvin.
Ako lagi Alvin. So, maingon sila nga ako kunay favorite. Ako ra sa inisunod yun sa footsteps ni dad.
Oh, correct.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, muna ang kuan.
So, kuan siya. Kanang, pero, growing up with, of kuan, an ex-mayor before,
Yeah.
kuan jud ka, na yung mga free pass.
Privileges.
Privileges.
Ang akong amahan was first vice mayor. That was in 1988. And then, 2-term vice mayor. Then in 1995, di mo siyang mayor. So to answer your questions, of course na ay mga privilege and
that's
benefits. I don't know if you want to call it that way.
Oo, correct.
No, pero ang akong tanaw, malingaw magkog kanang mutanaw og sinulog unya naagid sa
Naagid sa
tubangan,
tubangan.
mutanaw og Miss Cebu nya naagid
Naagid
sa
sa tubangan.
tubangan.
Yes, kita
Mura
siya
pud
mga-
mga malingaw man ko ana sa unang panahon growing up. ba?
Correct.
So if you say that's a privilege tingali, no? But other than that, no. I mean people of course maka-recognize magyud sila nimo nya mangutana sila kinsa ka. Igon sa man ka ni Mayor Alvin Garcia. Langan naman.
Alam mo, dinay ka, no?
Dinay
But how old
ko.
were you di ay katong naapa siya sa iyang
Wow.
term?
That was in 1995. So I was born in 77.
Ipamas,
So-
jud mo sa Bernin.
So ana,
Yeah.
3 years old pa ko 1995.
Really? Oh my God, I was 2 years old.
But how are your parents? Kanang ano,
They're very
of course,
strict.
busy
They're
man
very
sila.
kind from,
No, very.
kay boys ba yung mga tanan?
Very loving ang akong parents, and usagid sa ilang gi-instill na mo mga anak is the value good of education.
That's true.
That's number 1. That's why lawyer, doctor, and then
Another-
another lawyer. So they really valued education and they really instilled it in us. Unya gani they also got it from their parents. Because my father is also a lawyer.
Ay, yeah, correct.
His brother is also a lawyer. My grandfather, Lolo Jesus, was also a lawyer and was even a member of the Constitutional Convention. Mo'y nagpanday sa ato ang Constitution in 1972.
Wow. Okay.
So kami, family of lawyers yun. So growing up, well, they were disciplinarian in a sense, but very loving also. So, when you would, kung mamahaw mo, maniudto mo, mo mag-dinner mo ang istorya na kanang kuan
Jud.
education,
Education.
public service, una na jud. So mo na nga kung mo na imong kinaon,
Mo na jud
mo
nga,
sa
no?
na mahimo sa imong
Tinuod.
offsprings, di ba?
True.
Oh my God, I can only imagine nga kanang, raising 3 sons or having 2
Correct.
boys and siblings.
Kani, of course, kay elementary pa man to. Fast forward, you're in high school. Nga ni ba yun mo gawa sa mga sungay gamay, magkiyat-kiyat, pang chicks. Chicks boy ka sa una.
Dili ay
Ay, sorry, hindi no, yung totoo. Kinabay ako si mo mga picture pagbata.
lagi.
Ifugaw mo yung ka magbata. Atag ka rin naman sad. Pero, sa mga chicks boy sa una si Attorney Raymond.
Dili singalitan to. Pero
Dulo nun.
pangutan na ko unya og wala na akong asawa.
Namang good, no? Namang good. So, we're as ka high school.
So in high school, dito ko na eskwela sa Don Bosco. So it was kind of far from where I live kay ang Don Bosco na South District.
South na, correct.
Diba? Niya ako North District ba ako. Kamputao, Capitol, that area ba. So nan ako sa South District ato. And it was where I was able to meet different kinds of people. Kaysa there is a grade school more pampered ka.
yes, sinood na.
Diba? But when I entered high school and you had
Laylahi na sila.
lahi na yun. And in grade school, usara gumi ka section.
Yes,
20 ka
oo.
book, 25 or even less, no? In high school, wala na, upat na mo ka section.
Tapos pilo
Unya,
sa ka section, mga
kuwan
30.
gigo, it was really, even more, no? It was a very different atmosphere kay puro ba ya KK.
Kaya yung Don Bosco. I love Don Bosco actually.
Di ba co-ed, di ba?
Aminin, no, kang gwapo sa Don Bosco.
I love Don Bosco. Makaanajig ko.
So,
In.
muna.
Labi na tayo mga batch kay mga high. Kaya ilang mga batch kay mga prominent ba yung mga apelyido.
So muna, and then dito ko 4 years. And lahi kayo ang education po sa Don Bosco. Because puro man pare.
Oh, correct.
Yeah.
Ay, erap day,
Erap
di
man
ba?
siya.
Puro sa mga pare. But ang different kind of pare kay ang mga what they call the Salesians, the Salesian brothers, that's the Salesian priests. Lain yun ang ilang upbringing sa mga bata. Lain ang ilang how grabe kayo they treat them like family, like their younger brother, no? Kanang what akong pasabot mo duwa. Can you imagine ang brother or ang father mo duwa ni mo basketball,
oo.
tangtangon ang sutana mo duwa og basketball, mo duwa og soccer, mo duwa og pingpong kuyog nimo. So it was really very fun ang Don Bosco nako nga high school ba. And it was a very nice experience for me nga nakauna-una ko nga magsalisyan baka asad ko.
Hala.
Musud baka sa kog seminaryo. Yeah. I mean,
abot siya sa point.
yes, all students tingali of Don Bosco, once you see that atmosphere nga ingon na it's very enjoyable, and ang mga priests, ang brothers and fathers, they really treat you as family, as younger brothers, tanan. Maka-cross gyud sa imong una-una ba nga magpare baka ako.
Ayun nag-i-open kibaho ko mo kibaho na ko ni katawa siya kay yun na naman sa before pandemic.
Ni Chad pa siya
ko
nako.
uy. Ni Chad ko niya nga laglayan mo pari ko. Sige siya katawa siya mo tuuno kung attorney.
Anak ko,
Bantog,
pare ka
bro.
ba? Di ka atuon.
Hindi ko maapi sa imong kuan, sa imong misa, if ever. But kani siya, kani actually naughty gamay. Na office ka sa Don Bosco? Napatawag ka sa office?
Never. Because in Don Bosco, I was the student council president.
Amo sa di.
Amo sa
Nana
di.
jud sa imong kuan.
So, never gid ka nakakuan na agi o rebel nga era sa imong life.
Wala yun.
Okay.
Lamig siya childhood ba?
I was very active sa extracurricular sa Don Bosco.
Di ba basketball player?
Yeah, during the first few muna nasa akong joke di ay whenever I go around kay na classmate mo na ako si Don
Hontiveros.
Hontiveros,
Correct.
who eventually became my vice mayor, di ba? When I became mayor. So na
Baka
classmate me.
naman.
Oh.
Anya.
So na classmate na ako for first year. And then in high school manggod, ang among intramurals was section against section. So kami 1D, kami ni Don 1D versus 1C versus 2B versus
okay.
2A.
So,
Nga naman na,
dagan
diba?
di- dagan di
O
ko,
inter man na, no? first year, second year lang, third year, fourth year, di na mo kaya. So sila na sa'yo magbangga dito. So anyway, I was already my height approximately during that time. So at that time, consider taas-taas na to. Mga 5'5". So muna ang nahimo jud kong first 5 sa among section. Imagine, nakibaw ka sa imong bangko at that time?
Kinsa?
Don Hontiveros. Really? Yeah, bangko yun siya. As in, he was our 6th man. Ang pasaot na 6th man, inigpahuway so sa, either namong lima mo puli siya.
Oo, yeah.
Oh,
Kung ganahan mo pa huway.
Kung ganahan mo pa huway. Pero og dili mi mamahuway,
Di siya kadawa.
bangko
Bangko
gid
yun
siya.
siya.
No, so that's really a true
Fairness,
story. First online. Si Dodo Rotiveros.
Dodo may kasi-
Can you imagine that? Onya mo na to nga, you know, si Don was very kanang serious about his basketball, and then for some reason nitubo man.
No.
He was about my height in first year.
At
Pag
the
fourth
time.
year na 6-footer na siya.
Okay.
And I always joke nga, ako,
Ni stay
si
na
John,
busy.
si Don nahimong 6-footer, ako nagpabilin og putoter. No, I always joke around.
ka dito.
Oh, wala nagyud ko nitubo. So si Don eventually, nahimo man siyang UC, and then he became varsity, and he became a PBA legend. I would say a PBA legend. So,
True.
so
Ilado
muna
din siya.
nahitabo sa akong high school. But then, muna tingali nga ni hunong na akong tubo, so I
Wala na lang
focused
ni
more
mag-pursue.
on extracurricular activities. No? So muna nga nahimo kong president sa among student council. I also became the editor-in-chief of our school paper.
Wow.
Mo di ay.
Ang wa na lang nako nasud na ang kanang CAT.
Naka kasi 80?
No, naka CAT ko, but wala ka ng mga marcha-marcha. I was
Marcha-marcha,
just
oh.
in the office.
Tinood. Kay kuan mong ka.
Yeah.
Editor-in-chief. Na may I think before, makakabaw ko, basta editor-in-chief ka, safe pass jud ka sa 80. Kay naman kay laing duties.
Kasi niyo sa school paper sa
Odyssey.
Odyssey.
We call it the Bosconian Odyssey.
Until na mo nagyapon ba?
Yeah, it's still the
Okay.
Bosconian Odyssey. Ang butong gipadayon na ba, but I'm seeing some kuan kanang Facebook nga page nila nga murag nagpadayon na. It really depends magud on the administration.
yes.
Tinood.
So
Oh my God. So kanina, when you reach college na, so asa ka ga college?
So when I was in Kuan, I graduated. Both my brothers were in outside of Cebu.
Okay.
So ako pod, I was offered a very good program at the University of Asia and the Pacific. So it was in Manila. It was a program nga you can get your master's degree
Correct.
in management in 5 years.
Nahamay ba yun?
But extensive kaayo ang extensive jud kaayo ang ilang education and training. And then of course ang imong they require you to work during the summer in a corporation so that you really
So,
get
i-break.
makuha gini mo ang setting, sa unsa ang pagtrabaho.
Oh, nice.
So muna nahitabo dito ko sa Analams.
you
Sa
work.
Analams day.
Analams, you
Analams,
work and then you study. Ano siya?
Yeah,
gating?
Analams,
Okay.
So, yeah. So, I nabaid sa gid ko dito. And then, after that, muna to nga, I went back to Cebu for my College of Law.
College of Law na.
Yeah.
So, asa ka ga law?
So, here, dirigid ko sa University of San Carlos.
Correct.
But my brother, sa akong brother nga lawyer who graduated in Ateneo Law, I asked his advice. Ingon ko niya nga, mag-Ateneo Law na ba ka ako in Manila?
Ito,
Kasi I'm
ano,
already
ito,
there.
ito.
ka.
Ningon din siya, you know what? You study the same law anyway, regardless of unsa ka nga eskwelahan.
Diba? No, that's my
And what's
point.
important is makapasar ka sa bar.
Correct.
And USC has also a very good training. In fact, for some years,
Correct.
not sure ba yung
Ang
University
USC,
of Carlos,
yeah.
diba?
That's true.
And we have very high passing percentage. So, usasa to sa bitaw, no? And then, lahi gyud kaayo ang vibes sa Cebu. Of course, you wanna go home.
Tinood.
Diba?
So, na-homesick
as a-
ka at some point sa Manila.
Oo, all the time, no? Kay, the language is different. I mean, the people around you are different. So, lahi gyud kayo. So, ni Elo gid ok.
Kana si pero nakabayo ka dito sa Nilams. No.
Should di abas. Aan siya kung awasa.
Anong awasan?
So kaaw ka ba? Abautan na. pila ka book na mo? Okay, yawan. So, okay. So, from Asia and the Pacific, and then you went back here sa San
Back here
Carlos.
sa San Carlos,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Si, Kanish Bash, ikaw ba bukasyon? Ikaw, ingo kay mo
Ito, I
kasyon,
can't help but ask because I'm really a fan of kanang documentary nga
And then
Give Up
Caroline yan ba
Tomorrow.
siya?
Nya kapila
Oh,
ko
Give Up Tomorrow, yeah.
Give Up Tomorrow.
So nakakita ako, familiar maganinawon. So I sent it to Shane and then he confirmed nga ikaw gidi ay.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so
yes.
you were friends with Paco
Yeah,
Larrañaga.
Parang Ranyaga.
Actually, we were friends in high school in Don Bosco.
Bosconian sa
Bosconian na siya. He was 2 years younger.
okay.
Okay.
He's about my age but 2 years younger siya sa Don Bosco. So when I was in 4th year, he was in 2nd year. So
So ang question is, nga na-involve ka ato attorney?
okay, ang story ana is when I was in Manila studying, syempre gusto gyud ka mag homesick lagi.
Yeah.
So magtapok-tapok gyud mo sa mga Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Ah,
Tinuod
okay.
siya na.
Oh, so he was studying in Center for Culinary Arts. Oh, so he was there in Manila. It was just right across Ateneo, no? Ang Center for Culinary Arts, if I remember the school correctly. And then moto nga mag-abot me, no, on weekends. Magtapok-tapok ang mga Cebuanos, all mga Cebuanos dito. And apparently in one of those days nga nagtapok-tapok me, that was the same day nga nakidnap ang mga Chong sisters.
Grabe
And then
biyak
there were,
to, no?
di ba, naipatay,
Chika,
na-rape, whatever. We don't know
What happened?
what really happened. But I could vouch that on that day, he
Naagid
was
siya.
really in Manila with me.
Yeah, because
I
they were
saw it with my
saying
own
the picture
eyes.
was edited.
Kano.
Diba?
Timing kaayo because a lot of people say nga nung nagdamang kag kamera syaro sa inyong tanan nakaw
Oo.
magdakag kamera.
Oo.
Nya may rabag kuan kanang
Nga inyong inom ato tanduay, di ba?
Kasi di ba?
ang story ana is on that particular day timing sa kaayo nga my parents and flew in from Cebu because I had a mura man tug kanang sa among program katong 5-year program nako nga masters in management they had an activity and they called me to speak for and behalf of the program. So it was something big. It was something big. So
mo na
imagine,
ni-fly imong
ni-fly
parents.
akong parents. And sa unang
Just to
panahon,
witness it.
uso man kayo ito ang disposable cameras. I
yes.
don't know if...
Kodak.
Oh,
Kodak,
kanang
may
itong-
Fujifilm, yung ana-ana.
Plastic, kunya yung lang malabay, di ba?
Yeah,
So, uso kaayo to and I was able to bring one. So, nag-photo ko, nag-picture ko sa akong speech. Of course, my mom and my brother may nag-picture nako. And then after that, ningon din, the usual ba nga, hotda na ng film. Di ba? Sa unang panahon, hotda na ng film. So I said, sige, ako nalaning dadon. Timing nga yun. So I was able to take of photos na mo didto sa
Kasi nag-take sa picture, ikaw?
nay ako, nay uban
Nay,
ako
oo,
mga
oo.
kaila, no? Oh.
Kaya na yung gisa lang edited ko no daw. Kung at the time, di nga nga technology.
Katong kwan. Na-actually
Film
katong
yun.
disposable.
Oo.
We have the negatives. It was presented in court.
Diba?
So, saan pag-edit og negative?
Correct.
Di ba?
Ano, Jud? Unsa ang pag-edit?
Di ba? So, amot, di na,
So,
di na
sa una kaya
makarelate
pag
ang mga
negative.
batanon karon
Pero
kung sa
nabalik
negative.
baya na siya.
Yes,
Nabalik
yes,
ka
yes.
doon.
Kanang
Mm.
Instax.
Yeah,
ana.
since tax. Nabalik siya.
So did you also join katong rally? Katong nag-run ba?
Yes. It was so frustrating because 40 mi ka buok oy nga witness.
Uy, kadagan
my God,
din.
kadagan.
Oh.
Ay.
Kaysa buntag si Paco nag-exam. So tanan niyang mga classmates hastang maestra ni certify nga he was there.
my God.
He could not have been in two places at the same time.
Exactly.
Pero ang
Can you
chika lagi
imagine?
nila kay makalupad man after class.
Ay, dili gyapon.
As after class na mo na
class,
tagay.
kami naman nagkuyo.
Oh, sila na lagi.
Okay.
Until early morning.
Oh my God.
Check kita
Diyan ka kay no? Di, first time nasa the
Bata,
year.
first time. Sige,
Grabe
yes.
yun, grabe yun. And then, I was so happy. Imagine at that time, based sa akong mga storya-storya, 8 out of 10 or even 9 out of 10 would think nga guilty si Paco Larrañaga.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Correct.
Ang public perception adto, anak kos mayor adto ha. And then elections
Yes,
was
correct.
coming up.
Bitaw.
It was very unpopular of me to do that.
Yeah. Were you
For
not
the
scared?
sake of my
Were you not
father.
scared of that?
Ano, what good? Because you have to stand up for the truth. Diba?
Or maybe threatened ba sa inyong safety as
Or maybe na lang,
witnesses?
you just kanang, kwan na lang, hilom na lang kang, dili lang.
Dili set ko inguna na pagkatao. Diba? If an injustice is done, kung naidili maayo nga nahitabo, you have to stand
Step
up
up.
and say the truth. Especially if it means the life of somebody you know. Diba? Can you imagine? Pero despite all of that, Unsa may
Wala lagi
nahitabo.
hapon.
Wala
Wala
lagi
gyapon,
hapon.
no?
Convicted gihapon and then muto nga because he's a Spanish citizen, he served his sentence in Spain.
Pain.
Yeah. At least wala siya na death penalty.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Ang kana sad siya. Nice thing. Then answer na jud ba?
Bitaw niya, atav pa kay kaato attorney, no?
Oh.
Fresh gyapon.
Oh,
Very
grabe
atav. Pero ako
kayo.
sa di kayo malaptaw. Atav.
Oh, jud yung gi-screenshot jud niya siya. Shane, si Juan Junino, si kanang sa Attorney
Mayor.
Raymond
Kay Mayor pa man siya
Junino,
at
o
that
Mayor
time.
Raymond ko nga, asabi, pag-isaan ko nga, oh my God, siya jud ni. Kasi siya jud. Siya nga ito nga, gana attack kay siya mo, question ko nga, sige go, naaman jud siya, question jud siya, at least maklear na jud imong mind. So, clear naman, so pwede na ka mo leave back.
Pwede na ako maulit. Thank you, check din.
Anyway, so, that is your kanang koan, your
Yeah.
education and all. So, diyon sa man mo pag kanang koan as a transitioning na tani, how did you meet your koan?
Well, first of all, no, I was a working student in College of Law. Kaya nitabang-tabang man ko sa Sunstar for 15 years. So, nahitabo adto, I would work in the morning and in the afternoon in Sunstar. Unya, ining gabi imong klase sa law school. So, nikabuto nag-alas 5, ano mo ko ibuhaton? Mo enroll ka ko.
Mo ba?
So mo to nga na-enroll ko sa University of San Carlos. So, yeah. And then that's the time nga I talked to my brother. About law school siya nga. Should I go to Ateneo? Ano tanan? So, no. San Carlos is more than enough.
Honestly, I'm not koan, this is na ni siya, di ni siya palami ha, pero as a ako ba, as a person who kanang, for example, I have kind of privileged same as you,
Mag-working pa
siguro
gyud.
ko, mag-working pa baka ako, nga carry naman ako. No,
Mo nag wala ka ana nga privilege.
Bitaw kay
Ikaw,
inaan
boss
naman
God.
sa kay Bawjo si God nga dili siya sa ako kay gara-gara.
Same tang duha.
Same tang duha.
Muna nga, proud kay ko makaingon sa akong parents. And they will even tell you nga, when I was studying my law, they never spent a single centavo for my tuition.
Really? Pero okay ba mo ni attorney? Oo ba?
So, sa imong means ato attorney.
Katulad
Pero
ng
work siya sa
sweldo.
Sunstar.
Katulad. Mura
Pero
yun
doon
to.
naman sa nasa school, di ba? ni mo?
So di makaayo dako kay mo lakaw mo labang.
Malabang.
Malabang ra ka gyud.
Oh,
Do
diba?
laging Sunstar.
So ikaw
yeah.
siya decide nga mag-law? Wala siya kind of influenced by
Ako
father,
gyud.
by cousins,
Ako
minana?
yun. But when you have a brother who is already a lawyer and one is already a upcoming doctor, makaiyo sa ka sa akong imong kaugalingon nga wow.
So at that point, feeling ba nga ka ng lawyer and then doctor, so you must be conscious mo keep up
Nagi
sa
pressure.
pressure.
Dili man tingali. It was not really a pressure coming from them, none of my siblings. Maybe internal pressure na you also want to prove something. But it's something that, as I've said, no, ganina nga, inig paniud to nimo
Correct.
they talk about law. No? Inig pamahaw nimo maugyapon, inig panihapon nimo. So you always get influenced. No?
And then you get to love it na sa.
Yeah, definitely. I got
So
to love
na
it.
ka na curious na ka, what is
Yeah.
this all about? And
No,
no?
pero wag gyud kayo na ako nagamit because nagsuod mo ko public office, no? So
Right
I mean, wa na ko nagamit in the sense nga ang pag-practice,
Ang
wa kayo.
mag-practice, yeah.
But of course, the knowledge of the law really helps you when you're a public servant, diba? When you're a mayor, especially a vice mayor, kay tigpanday magbalaod,
Correct.
councilor samot na.
Samot.
So it really helped me good
In
along the way.
breakfast ug lunch bash, sa may story sa table, ila kay law.
Lahi man mo
Kasi story
abash.
ninyo.
Kavel.
Ay, libak mo, o di ay. Kavelia, di ay. Okay,
yeah.
silingan ba, ana, no? Ilo kay Laisho sa
Laisho,
table.
Laisho,
You know
no?
what, can siya na public app. Ang iba, si Kuan ba? She's
Mo na
nice.
nakuan na lang giniya. Na-embody na lang
Lahi,
giniya.
Laisho.
Yes.
Sige, kay graduate naman ka. So, mangita na siya ka ng Kuan, kanang katunga sa kinabuhi. So, asa man mo nagkaila ni Miss Kate?
Wow.
Kaya, kano dyan ako kay sigaw, ano ba ako matawa? Kanusta ko interview?
So pag lawyer na ko, I started teaching.
Ay, grabe naman ka. Uwi mo tayo.
Right after.
Right after?
Yeah, I started teaching.
Asa ka na-teach?
No, it was dili nga teach nga kanang sa big university.
Okay.
No? I namang ko amigo who owned a nursing school nga ang mga students dito padadon man nila sa Amerika.
Oh.
So it was curriculum sa
Curriculum.
US na curriculum. So of course sa States labi na sa medical practice importante kayo ang law. Grabe magkinihay dito.
Inoord.
'Di ba? So muna nga they got me. So I had to reread and reread. Lain mang balaod sa Pilipinas, lain mang
Sa
balaod
balaod
sa
sa
Amerika.
States.
So I had to reread and reread the law in the United States. So at the time the subject was called nursing jurisprudence. Nursing jurisprudence. So, muto nga, nagtudlo ko nursing jurisprudence, and then, usas akong estudyante, igsuon ni Kate. So magtapok-tapok sila, cool ba yata nga teacher? Batanon.
Yes.
So textan kita, sir, apas diri, attorney, apas diri. Cool ba yata nga maestro? So, dito mo apas sa dito. Then, chika-chika na tanan. And mo da ito. Nagkaila-ila na
Gikuyog sa sister.
Gikuyog dahil sa sister. Mo na to ang start sa iyang pagpanguyab nako.
Kailan ko.
Oh, what was your first impression?
First impression from Miss K. From Miss K. Aside from Gwapa, ha?
Yes.
Given na
Given
jud
naman na.
Well, of course, aside from Gwapa, kuwan kay siya, she was very reserved, hilumon. Pero mo lagi na, as you know her better, she becomes very kanang fun to be with, no. So muna, no, at first, that's my first impression.
So did you guys get along right away? Pagkaila-ila ninyo?
Dili
Kanya.
kayo, wa pagid kayo, no.
Like, ihon siya, ni mo okay, ano.
Dead mo akong ka.
Dead mo usahay.
Text na to sa una. What's up,
Pero
man?
nakagusto di ay.
Hey! Kailangan ko Aya Chaka.
Text.
Text. Oh, ano man nagmuso?
So, pila man kaka-years nang uyab?
Nanguyap.
Dugay-dugay pod.
Dugay, sir.
I don't remember anymore how many years, but dugay-dugay pod. Years pod nga years.
As
Dugay kay nako siya gisugot gyud.
Dugay mo siya gisagat, diba? Dapat mo si Bako siya sa
Lagi,
kahoy.
Kinalan siya mo trabaho, oy. To earn my love.
Yes, exactly.
Charot.
Dili ka siya bukal sa ako kay it's from katong ganiya pa si Kuan naadyo ko'y nabantayan nga kanang katubash kag elov-elov. May ka mag elov-elov.
Dili sa gayo maayo, but of course makatubash oka. Okay.
Ed ka makavil. Di siya
Oy,
malibak.
shooting gid ka vil kay.
Asa ka na kay
Kay
bawal.
maka-etlosh oka.
asa ka na kay
Kaya
bawal.
makatubash No, actually may kay ko relationship yun with LGBT, no.
Yeah.
And in fact the mga trusted nga mga employees in City Hall are from the rainbow community.
See?
Yes. So mao na tanan yun nanatch yun sa akong office. No,
This
daghan
was
yun
very
kayo.
funny. Kay nighttime, nakatong, it was really busy. Daghan yung siya parahan. I think nato sila Miss Kling. Basta daghan kay ni. Nagtapok mga yads ito sa iyong office. Kay about to sa natin anti-discrimination, something. So pag humana na yung sa kayads, nga ni, check ka niya, nga kanang, SF mo kay si Yoram. Yoram. SF si Yoram. Ay, no, ano nga, anap to siya, kalit, kapir mo siya. Shudi Abbas ha, Shudi Kavil. Katobash ba yung Ox? Kami tanan na, Jimmy. Huy!
Wala sila karaw.
Wala sila karaw. Huy!
Alaliso din.
Puta, lisa di Kavil. Pero di na siya kayo siya ka ng grabe nga pala sa ato. Hanga, makibaw sa
Heavily
siyang
na-
sino. Sinanap, ganda siya ba? Pero ka mga elov-elov nga mga kanang kuan kay Iams kayo siya.
Bitaw.
So kaya naman, mo malingaw dyan ang kuan. Malingaw dyan
Ang
mga
mga
yads
yads
department
pa niya.
niya. And then, si Miss Kate said very close kay sa mga
Sa mga yads.
yads sa LGBT sila duha as in close kay sila.
Very
So
true.
muna nga kanang I think na nakuala niya ba nga unsam nila mga chika. Uy mo to nga of course
Katubas.
tribal dance man.
Tribal but
Tribal man.
right.
So katubas dayon.
So, manatas imong professional life. Let's talk about your personal life. Maybe like ng mga hobbies or during your
Yes.
pastime. Unsa may mga buhato ni sa usa ka simple nga attorney Raymond.
I've heard that you're very kon kay sa arts.
Yeah.
Passionate about arts.
One of the things nga akong amahan really taught us pa is to spend time with the family. So, bisan pag busy kay siya when he was mayor, when he was vice mayor, he would always, pirmi gid mi niya dadon og mga vacation. So, anywhere in the world, no? So,
In the world.
Asia, Europe, or America.
Uyuko
Mo
na,
lagi.
attorney.
Mo ko tamang ila pa tong panahon na. So, muna nga, whenever we visit a city, mutanaw yun mi sa mga historical sites, mutuon yun mi silang culture, and that's where I learned to love the arts. Culture, arts, and heritage. So, paghimo na kong konsihal, and then
siya
vice mayor, usas akong mga balaod nga gipanghimo is the promotion yun of the arts through the enactment of an ordinance entitled declaring the month of August.
Which is
Which
our
is
month right now.
Yes, Cebu City
Arts Month.
Diba? Ayun, jud kaayo, besh.
So ang Philippines nga Arts Month is usually on if I'm not mistaken Feb. So muna nga nakaingon ko nga ngano why don't we have our own Arts Month here in Cebu
Bitaw,
City? Not
true.
Feb. Maglisod masad good og Feb og celebrate ngano man kay duol kay sa sinulog.
Correct.
Kaya preparar pa ka sa sinulog kunya magpreparar na sa kas Arts
Correct.
Sa
Month.
Valentine's pa.
Oh, napay Valentine's. So,
Valentine's,
ko nga, sige, we'll have our own Cebu City Arts Month wherein we will do it in August and then kanang atong i-promote ang atong local artists. Kasi ano artist?
So nice.
Dagan
so,
ba kayo diri
Daghan
na si
jud,
God.
as in.
daghan jud kaayo. So muna atong nabuhat and then usa sa akong mga balaod at that time was to recognize the artists, the one artist who made it big. Worldwide or even
correct.
nationwide. So muna to nga nag-enact ko og lain yung ordinance nga to award kanang what you call the Sugbuanong Bahandi Awardees
Correct.
or awards. So mga kuan gyud kay mga Cebuanos who made it big. So daghan na kay mig the award no.
So this month, it's a big event jud for
Supposed
this
to
month.
be this was supposed to be done every year. But ever since nga wa na ko nahimong mayor or even vice mayor na undang. Sayang.
Sure, bitaw.
So hoping nakadungog mong tanan, hopefully nga inyo tong ipadayo ng atong
Exactly.
arts
Kanindot
man
month.
sad siya.
O pag-recognize sa mga artists.
Sa artists
Oh,
sa
you have to
Cebu.
recognize the artists. Kay, if you don't recognize them, they will not have wa sila motivation.
Wala
Wala
motivation.
silang
Correct.
motivation.
Diba?
And we have
They
amazing
will
artists
aspire,
here.
they will aspire to get the award. Pareho
Bitaw.
na ng national artists.
Yeah.
That's true.
Diba?
Ano.
If there is an award, you aspire to become one. But kung layo na kayo ng national artist, anong tayo magsugbuan ng
Sugbuan ng
bandi?
bandi. Correct.
Diba? So, muna nga, nahunong lang gina. So, sayang, very sayang.
Sayang
but,
jud bitaw.
hopefully, they will realize nga how important it is.
Exactly. Oh, the heritage and culture of Cebu especially.
Yeah, yeah.
Kay nice kay siya nga kuan muna nga pagingon ako nga kanang kuan jud ka. You're very particular jud and then you're very into arts.
Sa arts.
Yeah.
Oh, and then also you also watch theater.
Yes.
Oh, you
Yeah.
support theater. Of course, imo anak.
Yeah, that was the first time I met you, by the way. Katong Beauty and the
Yes.
Beast.
Kataong si Kuan sila
Played,
si
Belle.
Yes.
She played really, good
si
siyang role.
That was in Kuan, no? Sacred Heart, Girls. House,
Nakalimot
something.
ko ba?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Sacred
so,
Heart.
yeah.
That was her first Kuan ni
with
Lexi.
you.
Happy kay ko nga nakakita dahil yun. That's
Diba?
very good.
So,
Is she still active sa theater?
Well, yeah, pero karon murag nilaylo siya because of school. But I told her to pursue it even if you're in Manila in Ateneo.
But
Na,
I've
mga
Kuan, but I
orgs dito.
watch her ba?
Pili
She's
dito.
Kuan jud. She's following your footsteps like leadership awardee. Leadership ka ng Kuan siya. Diba? Nice ka.
But, so as a father, imo na siyang gi-instill silang mga kanang ngani or ilaharap mong decision.
Most of the nga you get it from I got it from my dad, my parents about arts and culture and heritage. Unya ikaw sa murag automatically imo sang ma-hand down sa imong
Ito, no?
anak, no? So most of the nga si Lexi growing up, I would always bring her to aside from different places around the world. Karon focus sa kaayo on kanang theater.
Theater, no?
So every time there's a nice show in Manila, mga dumi,
Yeah, imo
mga
Dito,
Les
dito,
Miserables,
dito.
mga Miss
Mm,
Saigon, mga all of those things, kuan yun. So of course, na-influence siya. Unya, pagbuot sa Ginoo, nindot mo siya tingog.
Nindot
She has
siya
a
sa
good
tingog.
singing voice, no?
Liwat siya nimo.
Naliwan siya dito.
Nabangga mo mga nagsantol.
Correct.
Diba? So muna nga,
Kimuatnak man siya.
dili, oy, not good. Not
Banda-banda
good.
man siya.
Not good, not good.
Pero are you a cool
Gamay.
dad?
Very. Very
Ah,
cool.
okay.
Nakaingon man ka, full dad ka.
Kay, mo na yung mga hangi sa mga anak, usahay, mo permit man ta, basta within limits lang.
Correct.
Okay.
Like for example karon, a lot of my friends and even mga igagaw nako nga maingon ako nga ngano imo man ang gitugtan nga senior high pa na dapat college
Di ba
ang
para sa
pagbalhin
ulit?
Pagbalhin.
Pagbalhin sa
Oh,
school,
diba?
tinuod.
Oh, pero I always answer nga, when it comes to education, I'm very open about it, very liberal about it, no? Basta edukasyon sa atong mga anak, I'm very open about it. And at the same time, makaingon sa tanga, at their age, college na ba sa dad, no?
Bitaw.
Nangyari na ba
Sure.
sa dad?
Senior
high, no?
Senior
Oh,
high.
Biting ana sa una.
Siya ba yata na?
Bitaw.
Ang gamay ra kay
Sakto sa
diferensya actually.
Correct.
So muna nga kuan, here is somebody who really wants to achieve, is ambitious. So ngano imong mangpugngan,
Bitaw, tinuod.
'di ba? Magproblema magaling uban nga dong eskwela na diha dong be.
Tinuod,
At
mapukson
agad
ba
di ka og
gani?
sakinan og makagraduate na ka, 'di ba?
Bitaw.
Karon
Kana panuon.
'di ba? So
Correct.
muna ang kuan, muna ang akong thinking sa
So it was really her decision to
Oh
move.
yes, yes.
So
It was
mag-dorm siya
really
dito and all. Siya na usa.
dapat mag-dorm. Yun.
Siya na usa dito.
Oo, but here she shows pampered ba kay siya dire. So dito,
maningkamot gid siya, diba?
kamot yun siya. Maglimpyo siya sa iyang kaugalingong kwarto, sa iyang banyo.
Mo
Magluto. Moingon nila na.
Ari-ari ako,
No, pero ako mo siya.
She's very independent sa, diba?
Yeah. Eventually, she'll become very, very independent. So, usa sa da. Kay mo lagi na, you can't escape the fact nga, pampered ba ya kay diri gyud sa Cebu?
Correct.
Nya, binantayan ba ya jud kayo? Pero
Correct.
dito sa Manila, it's really a different story. Kay,
Di ni pa mamingawon. Basig everyday ko mo. And
di
then,
ako bitang giingnan si Kate nga, we will go there, siguro mga once a month or once every other month.
yes, just to check on her.
Yeah, just to
and,
check. Yeah, besides, makauli mo sa siya during her
Correct.
breaks, di ba? So, karon mong panahon na, it's not like before. I remember sa una nga, kanang akong brother, nag-study sad sa Manila, sa Ateneo pod. Grabe ang kanang murag separation anxiety,
yes,
you to call it. Kay,
punks.
wa pa may cell phone.
communication, oh.
Nothing, yun.
Landline ro.
Oh, and then when you want to talk to him over the phone, he has to go to the admin office sa dorm. Unya dito siya mag-istorya na mo. Pasa-pasa pa. Oh, naimong mami, pasa. Oh, how are you? Naimong brother, naimong brother.
my-
Ihon ana to
Nga na ta sa
Tinood, no?
una.
But now it's so different. Maka-FaceTime na ka,
Exactly.
maka-Viber na ka, WhatsApp, whatever it is, you can see everything. So muna nga, makaingon ka sa akong kaugalingon ba, I'm so lucky that it happened nga, nahitabo karon nga, grabe na kayo ang technology.
Technology, correct.
So wala na kayo separation anxiety, and at the same time, at the back of your mind, nga you can always get in touch with her or him, to know their whereabouts sa ilang gigayo.
Ni attorney at the time katong mayor pa ka, how did you manage nga kanang hands-on ka nga father? Because katong nag-play na siya ako na gid si mayor. Uy, at the time mayor pa
Supportive
siguro siya
kay na
ato,
siya.
no?
Mayor siya.
Yeah.
Supportive kay na siya, Jude.
Well, scheduling lang yun. I mean, dili man ko perfect nga mga maka-attend yun sa tanan. But on those important occasions, I really attend. And kung dili mo kayo ka-attend, daghan sa kayo mo attend for in my behalf. No, I can always call a counselor or I can always request the vice mayor. 'Di ba? So, most of to nga I was able to do. But in important schedules, ako gid mismo mo attend, and also in mga school activities mo attend jud ko. I always attend. I want to show my daughter and all the parents nga, here's a supportive father. Even though he's very busy running the affairs of the city, he still has time for his children,
Correct.
for his child. Yeah.
It's a good example na parang at least you still focus on your family. Kay nabi uban nga laoy kuan na kay ni siya, di na ni siya family, kuan kayo pasagdan na yung family, at least makakita sila nga ay najud gyapon siya siyang kid in a busy everyday busy ba jud kay muna siya. Pero kaya di mo masulti karon nga generation ganan ko makadungog from you.
Wow, it's so different. Grabe na jud kayo ang generation karon. They are so dependent on the internet for information, for knowledge.
I would
Everything is they're so dependent on their phones, on their tablets, grabe na yun. It has really changed so much. Talabi na karon na nasa AI.
Yes.
Everything is so easy and so simple.
Easy for them, no?
Nung nakain ko sa akong kaugalingon, swerte ni mga bataa karon compared sa atong mga panahon.
Exactly.
Even their games are different from ours.
Yes,
Diba?
true.
They don't have
Physical
Julin,
virtual,
Batulatas.
Correct. Physical kay ato.
diba?
Chinese garter sa
Chinese
amo.
garter, Jackstone.
Blackstone.
Diba?
Nga nagatindero
Patintero.
sa
Grabe,
una.
diba?
Takyan.
Takyan. Wow, they don't know how.
Sila magsirap
And then sila ganahan mo try. I think it's very kanang murag kapuyan sila.
Grabe yun. Grabe that ang gadget, grabe jud kayo. In fact, gahapon nananaw mi og Toy Story. You should watch it. It was about a girl nga she was still playing with her toys. Pero she noticed nga all of her classmates wa na ang mga toys ipadaplin na. Nagsige nagkuan sa ilang mga phones or ilang mga tabs.
iPad, oo.
Toy Story is about toys,
Yeah.
di ba?
Correct.
So touching sa gayo siya nga story nga murag ang mga bata gipanapli na nila ang ilang mga toys. So si Woody, silang buwan.
Daplin na.
Gipanapli na. No, but it was a very nice story. Di na lang ko mo hisgot og unsay ending. You should really watch it
Sige.
because it's
It's a nice koan. Nice message yung Toy Story katong last pa nga Toy Story dili pero nice to siya nga koan kay it's about in ano ba kanang ni grow
The
na
traditional
ang-
nga kuan of playing.
Di karon kay wala naman dili naman
Yeah.
kay kuan ang toys.
Pero it doesn't mean nga negative. No?
Yeah.
Correct.
Walang sila ni Agi
Laylay
lang sa
lang
to.
kita nga
Laylay
generation.
lang kita generation. And ilan na sana maximize ang what they have now, no, compared sa atong mga panahon.
Pero mga smart mga bata, oy.
And smart
Karon no.
side.
Oh, yeah, grabe
And then
because of
karon
the
well
information.
informed.
English
Yeah.
na kayo sila tanan karon.
Oh.
Attorney,
That's
no?
good.
That's good,
That's
diba?
good.
At
That's
least.
During our time compared to karon ang mga bata, grabe ka Englishero.
Grabe kay English
Englishera.
ang communication skills ba
Oh.
kay murag viva na kay dili na ka mauwaw nga ay iya ko na di mo strangles. Di ko na
Grabe,
Especially raising kanang new generation nga kid ba kanang giyon sa nimo pag-adapt sa ilang mga gawi.
Kana.
Well, you learn along the way. No, you really learn along the way, and you have to adapt also, diba? Because when looking at them, how they grow up with all of these gadgets and the information, and you compare it to yours, makain ko nga, wow, dakuan ang difference yun. And you have to learn along the way. You have to also equip with them with the right material. You have to equip it with the right gadgets. And then you also have to teach them. It's not only about giving them the right equipment, the right gadgets, the right phones. It's also about telling them what is good and what is bad. It's also about teaching them morality. I think that is where the parents come in. No, ang ginikanan. It's really when you tell them what is right and what is wrong, what is the right judgment, what is the wrong judgment, diba? And that's how you are able to let them grow, diba? So, mao na, I think muna yung number one yun tingaling role of a parent is to support your kids in their endeavors, in their extracurricular activities, in their education, but you should also have to guide them to be morally upright,
Correct.
diba? So, muna
Wait,
yung important.
kanina ko'y as a koan, as an attorney side and as a public servant, how can you kanang koan? Is it okay nga mupalo once o anang kanang sa mga kids?
Nakasugat ko na sa kanang mga panahon.
Nakapaluan na kahit
Oh,
ita
di
sa
ba sa
muna.
ato mga panahon, di ba naamag yun?
Belt, di ba?
Belt, belt ra mag yun to. Yes, but I never did that. Wa na gyud ang physical. I notice ang parents, ang punishment lahi naman. Ambe imong cellphone, wa kay cellphone for one day.
Ano?
Nya, sa masakitan ba yung mga bata, di ba? So I was never able to punish in that manner. Bisag ingon ana lang, no. Ang akong style is istoryahan lang yun ang bata, no. And then hopefully they understand and they know where you're coming from. Og makakita sila nga ang imong tuyo kaayuhan na yun nila, even if they realize it too late, but it's really a matter of doing things like that.
Ito, no? The kwan lang sa siguro
Discipline.
kanang open communication as well.
I think usa sa nas mga things, open
Is Lexi
communication.
very open secrets? Na siya mga secrets to you? Musulti siya?
Yes, musulti siya. But makahibaw ko nga medyo na ay na ay boundary.
Nabali,
diba?
oo. Kay na may mga barkada nga dili dapat
Yes.
machika, mga crush.
Mayon na tingali. Kay
Pero
kibaw man
normal
sila.
naman po na attorney, uy.
Oh,
Diba?
Normal. No?
Sige, ikaw kay Evay Botchok ba sila?
Bitaw.
Sige, diba ko? Evay Botchok, jud yan, jud. Oh my God. So, oh my God, mo kibaw mo mga chika.
Lagi.
As in,
Lagi.
Are
You
Are
learn
you
a lot
type
of
parents
things.
sa attorney nga kanang nabi ba mga parents mo kanang i-impose yun ang mga
kinaraan.
type of discipline sa una ba kanang
Kinalaan
ani
yung
ba may sa
discipline.
una dapat
Yes,
ani
kanang yun na.
Na.
Jud
But pero ako, I would say, I'm more cool, I'm more modern in upbringing. But of course, ang mga values nga, I also learned from my parents. Ako sang gi-instill sa akong anak. So, one is education and two is really family. Kind of family values
nice.
yun.
Tinuod siya na. So, dapat mo na imong ikuan, bash. Family and education, bash. Dili ikuan, dili chismis, o dili keki. Keki, o dili check.
Mawala atong UCSP ko check.
Kaya, because I've heard nga, you're a foodie as well. You love food.
Yeah, together with Kate.
As in,
Kamo duha foodie gid mo.
Sa
Sa
sweet tooth ko ha. Grabe
Sweet
ko ka
tooth
sweet
ka.
tooth. Oh, grabe kay ko nga sweet tooth. So chocolates and number one din ako ang chocolate. So
sige,
muna.
for the kuan benefit of the Chaka Dings, unsay mga ninda top 3 nimo nga mga
Wow.
pangiri?
Di-
Cebu.
unsa man nga
Kaya mga restaurant. Restaurant lang sa
Kanang
ta.
mga
Dili
go-to
sa mga
places
page, go-to
ninyo.
lang. Di mga particular man din sila. Asa good pa na ana sad sila. Your recommend
ako
Rako.
medyo kuan man ko. I am a fan of Japanese food.
Okay.
Okay, so there are a lot of good
Japanese
Japanese,
food,
here.
yes.
And then of course mukaon sa kuan ng mga Filipino food.
Mukhang silog.
course.
Oh, kanang mga ingunana.
Sure, kam ko
Yes. So kanang mga kanang mga punggo I eat. Yes, ginabot
Tarong ba?
I eat.
Taro attorney
Mga
Uy.
ngoyong I eat. Oh. So,
Really?
you want me to
Bok choy.
Mga bok choy, yeah, of course. Pochero.
Kalami.
Yun na ko.
Mukhaon sa di kag mga. Abi na ko imong mga kanang mga gourmet,
Dili, ay.
mga kanang Italian
Although
Ano
ganani
siya?
kong Japanese food, no? That's
Japanese
my number
food.
one.
Mm-mm.
Pero when it comes to kanang comfort food nako, it's always kaning mga ingon ani pangutan na akong asawa ug unsa.
Ay, kanjo
Oo.
pa.
And I'm a fan of buwad.
Yay,
Yes,
buwan.
I'm also a fan of buwad. In fact, dito Miss Bantayan, akong
Malit gid
request
mo.
sa akong asawa every single day buwad and binatil nga itlog with suka.
Suka.
Kalami.
Alo kalami, uy.
Di ba?
Basta
Ay,
sa
so,
shoot.
ano, nag-avoid, ano,
Alilaw.
ko.
Usahay ilang iusab kanang
Kemal.
kung say tawag na kanang tamatis nga buwad.
Kana.
Oo, lamig sa kayo, di ba?
Correct.
So,
Fried rice.
oh, sus, the
kalami.
best, the best.
So magkasinabot sa gid mo ni wife sa food.
Ni wife.
Sa mga
Yeah.
gusto.
Pero by the way, Kwan, belated happy birthday, Miss Kate. As
Lagi.
in, no?
Belated happy birthday.
Yes,
Miss
last
Kay.
month na yung birthday. Diba?
Asa mo pag birthday ni wife?
Sige na siya og kanang tease nako ba. Sugsog nako nga ikaw did you kakibaw mo Christmas mo birthday surprise. So I was thinking tinuod yun na kay masakpan man jud ko.
Dali ka
Masakpan jud ko.
masakpan? Ay.
Kay madudahan man jud ko. Once I do things that's extra of the ordinary,
Duda na. Nani
magdudam
something.
siya, nani siya something. So the only thing that I could do at that point in time was to call ang iyang mga friends. Ako silang gingnan nga, you plan it. Don't let me know about you. Just let me know on the day itself where I will bring her. But everything, kamo na plano. Kay masakpan mo yugo. Imagine,
May
umutext
sige si
sila
Miss
na ako.
Kate,
No, mo-update patay.
Correct.
Di ba? Oh. So, ikaw, you plan it. So,
Kay
muna
Manchika
nga.
niya ni mo.
Correct. So, I told them, you plan it. So, muna to, it was her 40th birthday man. So, muna ngayon ko nga, dapat na agad ni, a small surprise. So, I called her friends. Sila nagbahala na tanan.
So, successful.
Very successful. Kaya na-surprise yun siya.
Kasi man siya nga surprise.
Ha?
Surprise
Nag-surprise yun siya.
siya.
Kaya pag-abli sa door, surprise! Kaya ikaw na nga surprise niya. Surprise yun siya.
Nakasway ka nga, nakaibaw siya.
Oo.
Ano kay mga attempts di ay before?
A lot of times. A lot of attempts.
di na
in
siya
the past. So, di
surprise.
na lang ko. Even gift, maglisod na ko. Oh my God. Okay, di naman, lisod na magyugayo. So, I told myself nga, huwag mo nang istorya. Like, for example, a gift. Moingon na lang ko niya, pagpalit og sa imong ganahan. Diba, na lang. Pag surprise, unsa may imong gusto unsa may dili surprise og dinner or lunch unsa may imong gusto. Kinsa may atong imbitaron. So ingon na lang, family or friends ana tanan, wa gid na ang surprise.
So, Carla
Except
surprise.
sa iyang 40th birthday.
Success.
At least no success.
Successful.
Yes, and first time.
First time.
Good job.
Good job. Kasayo no di ato no, manawag na
sa friends.
maro
Mo ora di ay
Makikutsabo.
sa kada
di ay
video kay
kutsabo.
nagasawa. Manawag jud ay ka dapat.
Ayan, nanawag.
Kamo na lang
So,
ni.
so-
Kasi na lang ko kay
So,
para
wa
di
gyud siya
masaktan.
inkling whatsoever. Wa gyud siya kabantay. May rasad.
May research yun. Pag dali mo sa katong, for example, sa restaurant niyo, inyong gadtuan, wala siya ni question nga no diri, nga no ana.
Well,
Kay
that was
versus
part of the
Kate.
plan.
Okay.
Oh, so gisabot sad sa sa iyang friend nga naay baby shower sa iyang friend. Kay timing man nga Juntis.
Same
Juntis, Jots di
Pero same day good sa iyang birthday.
Oo. Yeah, same day yun sa iyang birthday. So, i-timing lang sa namo nga inguna na nga Juntis siya unya mag baby shower
Shower.
kunuhay
Kunuhay.
siya. Invited siya. So,
So, di pa rin siya gift.
ha?
Di pa rin siya.
Palit siya gift. Gidadala na mo ang gift pa dong dito
Ako
sa
pa
baby shower.
refund.
It's really scared.
Oh,
Oh.
so, pero, well, very successful. Kaya, wa gid siya idea whatsoever.
So, at least, naka-advance na siya para sa baby shower.
Oh, naka-advance na gid siya.
Naka-advance gift.
Di na kinahanglan mo, pali mo tilap og usab. Mm.
So, attorney, I wanna ask, in your opinion, unsa ang secret to a healthy relationship or long-lasting relationship?
Wow. You have to you have to understand nga lahi ang babae, lahi yun ang mga keks. And they are from different worlds, I would say. Sometimes ang mga ebay, they assume that you will do this for them.
Correct.
Diba? And then dili di ay kay lain sa una as lucky, you know.
Turkey, oo.
Kay we are very factual, we are very so you have to understand that. That's a very important thing to understand kay in your actions in the future, that has to be at the back of your mind, no. So you always have to treat her like bag-ura mong uyab or bag-ura mong asawa.
Anak siya.
Yun, anak siya. And then it's not enough nga you just spend time with them or me with her. Kinahanglan na agad mo yung mga moments. Oh, di ba?
Tinuod siya.
Kaya
Ikaw,
wingon
no?
sila nga physically present pero mentally absent.
Absent.
Nya ingon na baya tao sa hay labi na public servant.
Kato nga time, no?
Oh,
Heavy.
kuyog me pero my mind
Oo.
is everywhere else
Yeah.
or is a particular event. So ingon na. So mula gina nga one of the secrets really is to really try to spend time nga kamuras ang yung duha. Whether it's a short vacation or in a week, whether it's a dinner, it's a lunch, or
Nagoy
it's a
mga
short
patwitams
vacation.
moment yapon.
Naayod.
Naayod. Because you'll not allow yourself to be drowned in the everyday nga activities and work that you do. Nagi kay mga moments.
And I'm pretty sure,
And activities.
karon happy kay siya. Dagad na kay time
Oh,
for
ay mo,
her.
grabe. Dakan kay kong time. Grabe gid akong time. Nga, she's really enjoying. Ambot og napulaan na baka siya. Nga 1 year,
Let's go
nagsige
na,
mig kuyog, nagsige mig kuyog. But again, no, it was an opportunity kay
Exactly.
the past 12 years, wa good na. So, gibawi na namo og 1 year ang 12 years.
Diba? Pero at least that 1 year, pinakaron, of course, every day, conjugate siya, special siya, of course.
Special. Very special.
Oh my
Nasa
God.
reason ng mga sa like tanang butang ng ano hitabo na diba naka-spend kag
Exactly. You know, naabi tay nangutanan ako mga what good thing came out of me not being in office anymore, no, sa elections.
Kana.
And then what ang akong gitubag niya ningon ko nga ang usa gid ana is I am now able to spend time with my family, my wife, my child, and then especially my parents, because 80 na si daddy, si mommy is
Ito, no?
79 and then she's also turning 80. So, you know, they're not getting any younger. So you have to spend more time with them, which is what I am doing now. Of course, kaning mga family, mga mga ari-arian, mga properties nga wa na matiman, like for example, transferring it in the name of the children or the
Natiman na.
corporation. Karon atiman na mga ingon
Indot,
na ba.
correct.
Ingon dito akong amigo, dili lang kay na kana ang blessing in disguise. So, unsa man. Ingon din siya nako. Grabe ang problema karon. Di ba?
Ma-share ko.
Oo, daghang problema. I mean, not necessarily the fault of the current administration, and I don't want to talk about it, but like for example, immediately nga after the elections, nag-Typhoon Tino.
Yeah.
And it was in the first time in the history of Cebu City na 40 kabuk na matay.
Ang linog pag yun.
Oh,
Nala pa siya
Hindi, naglinog
affected
pa.
pa siya atong Tino.
Oh, di ba?
Katong sa
Grabe,
Del
grabe.
Rey
And
sa
it
Bacaya.
never
My
happened
God.
during my time.
Yeah.
In my 12 years, it never happened during my time. Manay, namatyan
Grabe ato
because of a typhoon. And then,
Linog sad.
linog sad. And then what happened in Binalio? Nga, 37, 36
Yes,
ka mga
Binalio.
tao. Another disaster ba? So, they tell me nga, sus, maayo ka ayong, karon ang basura is all over. I mean, ingon na bitaw nga, it's good that you're not taking care of that now. But, ako, I just I don't know if it's God's will or not, no? But these are the challenges now that the city is facing, and madod pa nila mas maayo nga wa kuno ko dito. Ko I always say nga, whatever is good for Cebu is good for Cebu. However ginagmay I can help, I will always help.
But regardless nga, I can see him and said noon, I've witnessed it, even though you're not in the position as well, you're still doing your kuanjud, your public service.
Of course,
and all.
definitely,
So,
no.
Kaya bang wala gyapon siya hunong ba, like for example, like I don't know how the others kaya na nga ay wala naman ko diha, so back to basic, go back to normal life, like I don't do what I do before. But you, even though of course as an attorney as well, pero now ba you still do your public
Yeah.
service, you have your mga charities and all.
Especially if
Siya ba?
na mga mangitabo, di ba? I try to help yun, no? Like Typhoon Tino, to go around sa ginagmay using private funds, hatag og bugas.
Kani mo
hatag
just
og-
miss ko. Now just yapay mo doon mo.
Daghan.
Until
Daghan
now.
gyapon until now. Because sometimes they feel nga wa sila maatiman. Nananad sila nga ako'y nag-atiman nila sa unang panahon. Muduol sila.
So knowing that nga na jud yapay mo doon niya. Attorney kami, attorney.
Maduong nga ginaban.
So,
Hindi sila ma-blame actually. Kay, yeah, just like what you said, naanad sila. Nya, most na siguro kanang mapadayon na lang pud nimo kay ga-expect naman pud sila nga kanang mapadayon kasi mo.
And then sapsapsad siya mo ko. Sapsapsad siya doon. Dili siya kanang, dili siya kuan. Di siya Jildetums.
Mao ba?
Dili siya Jildetums dai.
Approachable sige di ay si attorney.
Approachable,
Approachable. Tarong check ka.
Approachable.
Dili di ay lagi nga approachable.
Approachable.
My God, this is dili siguro yung mahunong, but we are really really thankful nga you grace our show, our
Yes. My
podcast,
gosh.
Jude. Promise.
I hope this will not be the last.
Yes,
Yes,
of course.
of
Dili,
course.
uy.
Dagan
Dili,
pa
Jude.
tamo
Dagan pa
check
check ka. And then, ang sitag ani, I really, before we sum up this one, I really, even Cebuanos, or even the two of us, we would really want to know what's next for Raymond Alvineri Garcia.
Well, as I've said, no, I have not stopped serving the people, whether it be sa ako ang profession as a lawyer, no? Dagan gyapon manuol ako, magpatabang, magpa-advise, magpanotaryo, tanan, no? As a lawyer, so kana okay naman na ako mabuhat because that's just part of my profession. And of course kana mga ginagmay tabang-tabang sa mga barangays, I still do that. And what's next for me? Well, I will really go back to the drawing board. I will of course have to talk to my family, which is very important. And then of course my teammates in the party, if ever mo dagan ba ko usab or dili, or mo dagan ba ko for same position or lower position. But in the meantime, layo-layo pa man to, enjoy it with the family. I'm really enjoying every bit of moment with my daughter, with my wife, with my parents. I'm really enjoying it. So
I really
savor the
encourage it.
moment.
Correct.
And I'm so happy to see you. Kanang, for example, I happen to see you in Ayala, I happen to see you in Kuan. Kanang, I'm not saying nga kanabang, di ako unusual for me ba seeing you with the bodyguards and all, tas ikaw ra. Di ko nga, tas kami discate, ko nga kamurang duhay, ko nga, maap ko magtanaw ni mo, it's because, it's one thing, I know you love Cebu, but it's one thing still you love sa mga the privacy, the intimacy with your wife, with your kid, with
Very
your family,
true.
inana
Very
siya
true.
ba? So, walay mo, nagapoy magpa-picture and all, pero kada yung makaingon na ka nga, okay, at least hindi na kay ko ka ng hago ba nga marag, ang akong asawa din na sa kilid, das 1 hour na ko sigpa-picture din sa biscuit. Grabe ba na kayo na sa kilid? Hello, mana.
So we're not closing doors, no, in the future.
Well, no, wala
Even
yun.
windows,
Wala yun.
we're not closing. Tanan
opening.
siya. Wag ipadlock
But ako
tanan.
man sad da. We're still
But you
49
know what?
we're not yet.
Sometimes as an
Yeah.
attorney, na mag-iuban nga ma-discourage after, failing or losing.
Pero I've failed. I've lost in elections in the past. Not only this one. Nakadaga na ba ako?
How did you handle
Konsehal o vice. But it's really not. It's nothing new anymore. That's
How
why
do you handle that, Inana?
you fall or you fail, you really have to stand up. There is a very popular, I don't know if it's not popular in the Philippines, but it's popular in Spain. There is a saying. Do you want me to say it
Go.
in Spanish?
Yes, hello, oh my God, can you show Espanol? I'm very good in Espanol, Bash. I'll translate it to you.
Sige, it says, si te caes a 7, levántate a 8. It simply means, if you fall 7 times, stand up 8.
I knew it. Ako pag-translate, naunahan lang ko ni attorney.
So,
That's so nice. I mean, I am not kidding.
so,
Nice.
it is for everybody. It's not only for me. I mean, failures in life is not only, dili mo lang failure nga, mapildi kag eleksyon, dili. Daghang kay failures sa imong kinabuhi.
Tinuod.
Failure sa love, failures sa career.
Hala,
Diba?
ko.
All, daghan kay tag failures sa atong life.
Kawato na
Failures
ko na
sa
nga saying,
family.
Sige, be, kawataon
Diba?
sa gitchika, be.
Dili ako na i-rewind inikuan.
Rewind
Buta ako
after
sa
the-
akong tombstone.
So, it literally translates to, si te caes, if you fall.
Si Tikas.
Si te caes, a 7. 7.
A 7 is 7.
Oh, mo na
7
kasabot ka sa
times.
siyete.
Sa siyete,
Levántate a 8. Stand up 8 times.
Levanta.
Pero kamao sa gikag Spanish.
Si.
Oh my God.
Really?
Poco. No. Basi mo kuno na sila nga maayo kay tamangkinat sila. No. I just know a few words. No, okay. Growing up also, my grandfather spoke straight Spanish. Because my grandfather was, di ba, lawyer man to siya. During his time, the medium in court, Spanish man. So you argue in court in Spanish. So most
Bisag
of
dili sa Philippines, ana?
Yes,
Spanish.
Sa una siya day, no?
That's why he was very fluent. And then,
Fluent kid
of
siya.
course, ang iyang father, ang iyang grandfather. So, moto siya nga kuan. And then, also sa akong side, sa akong mother, ang akong lola would utter some words in Spanish. Labi nagdi siya gusto nga makatubash ang
Ang mga
mga OH.
Mag-Spanyol.
Mag-Spanish siya sa akong mom.
Sa ilang lal, kay naman sa sila language.
Unsa man nga
Dili man
language?
in Spanish, ila kay pamalikas.
Ako elab.
Elab ato ako ron ba?
Pati mo parents, diba? Parents, pati mo mga relatives, elab. May kaayo.
Mao naman
Pero
ako.
happy ko, di ba kayo may kay kapag elab. Uy, ma-proud ko as an ally and all. Kasi ako mga uncle, makakibaw man sad. Tapos kaya ma-make sure ko kag-off dyan siya and all. Oh
my God. Dalawa na nanlipay gid ko sa atong first guest for our anniversary.
Diba?
Yeah. Thank you so much,
As
guys.
in, so sa kuan, this is one of the milestone for the USSP and us is because somebody nga kanang kuan, somebody they don't expect to sit down and talk kanang kuan mga inamaw.
Tinuod yun
chika-chika
na.
lang.
Tinuod yun na ang kana mangong perception sa mga tao diri kanako. Kana bitang kanang elitista, kanang
arty daw ka.
arte, di maabot. Because di mo guna, ang ilang magong basihan is sinuri anak ko, ang itsura nako, ang linakwan tingali nako. Mura na ilang
Mahalon man
wasi.
daw kuno ka.
Alta ka.
Kayo.
Yung puti ko, or hinapay kaayo, or something ba? Or,
So dapat di kuan di ay kanang dapat di yagit na di
muna
ay.
nga ning nga kuan kay ka sa ibong itsura niya hambugiro kuno kay kog itsura kay mo lagi na puti hinapay na niya akong tubag nila sabo na din ako nga gwapo.
Kana.
Sakto jud na. No, so muna that's what I joke, but kibaw
Kaya ma-intimidate
once you
bitaw.
once
Intimate.
they know me ay sus wala ay mura ra gyud kog kanang one of them, no. And I don't really like that.
Tandem sa Jimmy Miss Kate. Intimidating kayo magtupad na. Kayo, gwapa masan kayo designer. Kayo magbarog, ra. Straight ka kay buhok. Bandan, effortless ang beauty. Tas kuyugan pa dyan ni mo. Muhala dyan mga tao nga. Di dyan niya siya ma-reach. Di sigo ni ganan. Makig-shake hands. Kaya hugaw kong kamo. Ba?
Mula gina muna yung perception.
Perception nila.
Yeah.
Ba?
Lahi jud kayo.
Correct.
When you
Okay,
see
ano
me,
ba yun? Nabasagikan sa kanang mga prominent nga families. Usahay kay digid maduol. Pero ikaw kay nadyo kay mga barkada sa una attorney. Nga ka na.
yeah.
Mga
Of course.
alam mo mga kanang
course.
baras-baras sa mga friends.
Manisko mo sa una.
Karuter manisko.
so karon kay lahi naman ba?
Mabar man yun, sir.
Oh,
Of course,
ano
I'm
bitaw, no?
sure
Ano
mag-bar
disco,
ka sa una.
Wala gyud disco ron.
Mag-bar ka sa una, di ba?
Of course. In Manila.
Sa Manila.
That's why nga magkakuyog ding pako sa una kay magbar-bar ba restaurants. Yeah,
Oh
of
my
course.
God.
Di agi sa kuha na nga panahon pero dili lang ko, over. I don't drink a lot. I don't think.
Kabaw lang gid ka mo dala sa
may
yourself.
limitation.
Nagi limitations. I've always been like that ever since.
Ay, my God.
In other words, boring.
Dili man, dili boring.
At least, di ba?
Kung man siya, kibaw sila nga kanang, when, at least nakibaw sila nga, I know nga some doesn't know pagagamay nimo na unsa imo giagyan and all. So, makaingon sa, at least makaingon sila karon, okay, yun ani jud si Attorney Raymond, ani din ni
Kaya
siya.
uban out of touch ba ya?
Out of
Kaya
touch,
nga mga
Jeff, oh.
kuan.
Ang ilang mahibawan is the issue naman. Ay ang libawan is katong nana siya sa politics and
Yes,
all. So
yes.
this side is very refreshing, especially to our Chakadings. It's because kanang kwan ba, you talk about the other side of you, like the kung kwan pa is the normal for niya being in public service di man siya normal day di man tanan maka public service di man himong public servant
Lisod yun sa feeling
and then
ako,
seeing
guys.
you very vulnerable, honest of in ana, so makayo sa ay pare naman di may kinaan, pare naman may water ginom.
Bitaw. So, nadyo na sa mga specific people or ganun.
Skin lang siya. Kita di.
Dili ko pwede bash kay kanang daghan mang lugwa nga mga skeletons in the closet. No, mag public service biya ka kay ungkaton biya gid na.
Tanan.
Oh, tanan.
Tanan jud miski dili tinuod. Correct.
Magdaan kag story.
Dili
tinuod.
jud and labi na kay mga
Grabe.
pictures nga wala ko kay asa nagipanguha. Dagan kay bash. If you just kuan,
Labi na
makibaw lang
AI
ka.
now, grabe.
Correct.
Ah, yeah. So, delikado kayo karon these days.
Of course, that time was a kuan man. But I really thought those were the kuan lang, because you were a rat.
Oh. But I want to ask you as well. Nahimo na makang guess, uy. I want to ask you,
yes.
you know, as one of the employees before.
Okay, yung employees no. Yes.
Unsa man siya as a leader? Let's just pretend nga wala nang minaw sa atin.
Si kuan, si Attorney Raymond, kuan guna siya. It was the time they offered me the job. Honestly, kuan ko nga time kanang it was Miss Kate who asked me ka siya ni ananay ko nga. Yeah, sige ko. Kiba ka why? It was kanang nakailam sa Hong Kong. And I really don't know nga we became close and ana siya ba. I don't know nga kung unsa akong nabuhat nila but they're very very nice to me jud. As in so mo niya anak ko nga
So,
kanang
today mo nagkaila
yeah,
sa Hong
nagkaila
Kong
because I was the
first.
one who entertained them. Ako yung nagkuhan nila. And then, kuhan ko kato pa siya may nakaila jud. Like, with attorney and then Miss Kate kung nga.
Na-intimidate ka at first?
Kuhan na ba siya to? VM na siya to. Kung nga, so, umin ako silang duha. Kuy, binuang kay, alta ka ay kung nga, so, umin ako. Kipala ko lakaw sa Hong Kong dahil. Lakaw
Laga po sila. Gahal ra po sila.
Siya yung nasa tamukuan. Gaata na sa na. And then, I never thought nga after that, nagkuhan gapon me, communication gapon me. And then that's the time ako. He was a very kuan, he's not strict, but he was very particular. Particular in your job. Kaya bang, if you work, you work. Ano siya. Pero very kuan, happy man akong, I'm not kidding.
Nalingaw ka sa imong
Ko,
time. Okay.
It was a kuan. It was a ride of kuan. If it was a ride of hard work sa kapoy. Malingaw
Para
ko.
malingaw ka.
Of course,
Nice.
the Sindulog was the kapuyas for me.
Oo, mao to siyang highlights kay imong trabaho.
Ay, kinala na ko skate. Sure, napak mo.
Pimirom sa itong balik
Yes.
from SRP.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
Oo,
ito sa
balik
time.
niya sa city.
Balik niya sa city. Muna doon ko nga shocks.
First siya.
Mo pa siya ko first involved kay ko nga, oh my God, kumis. Siya, kaya nalang ginani mo. And they're very kuan, supportive siya in a way. Then, kuan siya, he always asked, are you okay? Okay pa ka? Muna iya. And then, that's comforting man for an employee ba nga, your boss asks you all the time, are you okay?
Nice.
So that's why I never had a problem. Dili ka tsaka ding ha. That's so true.
Dili siya Gemma.
Di siya Gemma.
Okay.
Dila siya Gemma Siton.
Ako na one question sa kay attorney.
Go.
Kana, is it difficult to serve Cebu or Cebuanos
Correct.
as a mayor?
With the advent now of social media, it has become a plus and a minus. Plus, kay masayo naman ka mo inform sa mga tao.
Yeah.
Pero at the same time, dako kayo og expectations no ang mga Cebuanos towards their leader. And sometimes it's so difficult because there are a lot, nagkan kay mga limitations. No? And then, ang mga Cebuano usahay gusto nga get things done right away, which is not always the case.
Correct.
So it's very challenging. Pero labi ang Cebu City is the second largest city in the Philippines ba. It's not like nakay kanang usa ka town or usa ka munisipyo. 1 million ba ang
Exactly.
population dire compared to a small town which is 100,000 or even much less. No, so dili gyud sa yun. Lisod gyud siya. Very very challenging.
Nice.
Imagine na, di ba? Pero honestly, kutsi kayo.
Di ba nakadunga itong mga chakadings?
Di ba? Ang saman. Di ba lisod jud ta? Gahit
Lisod,
ako.
lisod i-please.
Gahit man jud ka sa dag o daysan.
Di, lisod yun i-please ang
And then that's so
Cebuanos.
true. Kanang, nai-request, ganan, mabuhat na dayon. Di ba? Very Cebuano. But of course, we love Cebu. Oh my
course.
God, attorney.
Thank you so
Salamat
much.
kaayo. Thank you for
Thank
gracing
you.
our
Also,
month
sa
long
ating
anniversary. Thank you
Sa
so
ating mga
much.
chakadings, if you've reached this part of the episode, we'd like to thank you for tuning in and for, continue listening at unsa na ni pila na ni ka minutes among
Yes.
talk. And also would like to say thank you again, Attorney Raymond Garcia, for gracing our show, for accepting the invite. Walang di duha-duha, di ba, Bash?
Yes, and then of course I really like Kukan said to extend my gratitude and thank you to your wife, Miss Kate Garcia.
Kate.
Salamat jud
Shout
kaayo
out.
for Kwan jud. She's the one who's I was communicating every time jud sa scheduling and all. Thank you so much for inserting your schedule with me with us. Uy.
My pleasure yun. So
As
salamat
in-
kayo.
And then I'm confident and I'm proud. And then maghinambog jud ko. It's the only first podcast or first interview niya.
Nga.
Nga niya, Kwan
Nga
jud
ni.
siya. Yeah.
After, yeah, that's true.
That's true. As
And
in-
just like what you mentioned, alam mo sa ka nga, wa mo sa kagitago. Di ba, check ka raw sa ni.
And then, you see, aspira sa Judy ang Gicon.
Da.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, mga Chakadings. Please follow us on our socials. Like Instagram, Spotify,
Facebook.
Apple Podcasts, Facebook, TikTok.
And YouTube.
Yes, and that's the UCSP or say Check
Kung sa
Us sa
check us sa
Parlor.
parlor. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank
Yes.
you so
By
much.
the way, we would like to thank Skin Global Empire and Vitalia Tofina. Thank you so much. And what
Yeah.
else, Dash?
And would like to, of course, invite everyone. No, we posted katong Cheka Ring, katong live calls that we'll be
Yes.
doing during our episodes, mga segments nato. And so much more this month of August. Dagan may mga pasabog.
Yes, happy anniversary, mga Chaka. This is a long celebration, 2-year celebration, a long month celebration for UCSP. Hope to see you and check our episodes because kung pinakagrabe na dyan na personality, we still have another 2 more.
Ng mga
Masyako
special
kitsa.
guests.
So, stay tuned, mga Chakadings. By the way, my name is Shane.
And this is Lyle.
And you're listening to UCSP Say Check Us a Parlor Season 5. Your favorite Cebuano queer duo.
Here to stay.
And here for more.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Thank you, attorney. Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.